A berry parfait?
You need yogurt, then the blueberries and the strawberries and the granola.
Yum. And do you have anything that you want to tell us about the granola?
It doesn't have nuts in it.
It doesn't have nuts. That's called nut-free. Very good. Okay, how do you do this berry parfait?
You put the blueberries in the straw.
In the yogurt? Oh, that's tricky.
Mommy!
Then
Good.
strawberries.
Oh,
No.
it looks very colorful.
And last but not least, you put the granola in.
Now, I have a question. What is the cup for?
To put
Oh, so you build it in the bowl first, and then you scoop it. Very nice. You're very careful, Chef Joshua. Wow, that's pretty filled up. Last you eat it, that's my favorite part. Whoa, that's a big bite. Yes! Chef Joshua said that it is 2 thumbs up. He used lots of good words. You did an awesome job, Chef Joshua. Boys and girls, can we give Chef Joshua a big round of applause? That looks like a yummy, yummy snack.